Hello, trading is closed on January 8th, 2019. Yesterday we said unless we took this high out early with a gap, lower prices should print, but we did take it out early. We had these higher targets which printed. We look for some whipsaw action. This lower target, 2539.07, remains active until early tomorrow. The system has a target here early tomorrow as a new lower target from today's trade. Here it says ultimately lower prices would print. Here it says the rally's false. I think tomorrow's open is going to be very telling because we have strong resistance at today's high. We have it from the FOMC announcement. We have it from a TDST line that goes way back here. And we also have it from a wave count we'll show you in just a minute. All we have to do to break through this resistance is to gap in either direction and take this out early. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early high and the late high. Tends to have a bullish bent, and if it is a negative day, it tends to drop in a straight line. We usually have three legs after the Feb announcement. The first was up, second was down. If we get the third leg coming here by breaking through this, it should usually be larger than the leg down. That would put us about 2,800, which I don't believe, but that's what it says. If on the other hand we can't break through and we drop from the open instead, there's a good chance this up moves over. Here's the wave count. I know some people are trying to count this as a 5, but these waves are 3s. This is a 3-wave structure. This is a 3-wave structure. It's not a 5. Now this doesn't have to be the end of blue B. It could be A of B. But there's some great fib ratios right at the top. If this is A and this is B we identified before, if that's C, C is 0.786 times A. There's your A. Giving me a hard time today. Here's your 78.6. If it'll let me show you, I will. 78.6 right there. Inside you have an ABC. There's your A, there's your B, there's your C right there. And if you look at the ABC itself inside of red C, there's your A, there's your B, and there's your C right there. So we have strong fib resistance right at the high. If this holds, the ABC up is over. We should see this price tomorrow, and we should actually see this price early on. It should be a straight line drop. And if we start dropping, I would believe it. If instead we break through this, I don't have an upside target. I don't believe that 2,800 number, but we've overcome very strong resistance and are probably going to leave these numbers behind. So I think the open tomorrow is going to be very telling. It'll probably be obvious before the open, I guess, whether we're going to break through or fail in grand style, and that's today's call.